Hi, my name is Alba and today I'm gonna teach you how to make tomato rice, Mexican tomato rice in the Thermomix. You probably know that when you get a Thermomix you get the automatic recipes that are installed in your computer in Cook-I-Do, but also the Thermomix has this manual mode in which you can choose what temperature, what speed, and how much time to use whatever meal you're cooking. So today in manual mode, I'm gonna teach you how to make tomato rice. So for our recipe, we will need 70 grams of onion, 100 grams of canned tomato. I usually prefer canned tomato. For some reason the tomatoes always go bad on me before I can use them, so canned tomato for me. Then a little bunch of cilantro. How much is this? Like 1 gram. So I just went outside and grabbed a little bit and cut it and brought it to make it just for extra flavor. If you don't like cilantro, you can skip this. You can skip anything. You don't have to do exactly as I say. And then 3 garlic cloves. That's what we'll need. And also 250 grams of white rice that I already rinsed in the basket. We're gonna have tomato bouillon. It's for seasoning, and also, well, I have my paprika here in my little container. We're also going to need oil, not extra virgin. This is not. We'll need regular oil and water. The thing we're going to do is put onion, cilantro, tomato, garlic, seasonings, and oil in the jar, and after that we're going to start making a sauce that's going to give the flavor to the rice. So we're going to start adding our ingredients. Oil, we're going to add 40 grams, paprika, 1 teaspoon, and tomato bouillon is going to be 2 tablespoons. Don't get nervous with the amount of tomato bouillon, because the truth is that rice in Thermomix needs more salt than regular rice. So in order for me to weigh the oil, I have to go here and then I click on scales. Then I have to check that it's on 0 grams. Then I'm gonna check that it's 40 grams. There. So we already added 2 tablespoons of bouillon, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 40 grams of oil. Now we're gonna put the lid on and we're going to do 3 seconds at 4.5. That's the speed we're going to do. 3 seconds, speed 4.5. So it's ready. Look what 3 seconds can do. Made a little sauce there. Now we're gonna cook it. To cook it, we're going to put it 4 minutes, 100 degrees. Please remember that here we're doing Celsius, and the speed 1.5. So this is what it looks like. Now we're going to add water, a little bit more to this #1 mark here. You see a #1 here? Just a little bit more. It's about, to make it a 1 liter and 200 milliliters, 1.2 liters. So I'm gonna add water all the way there. Okay, so it's already with the water. We're gonna cover it, and because we have to blend it. So we're gonna do 10 seconds at speed 10. Now we're going to add the rice that it's already in the basket. Now we're going to cook 28 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius, speed 4. So this is ready. The first time that I did rice on the Thermomix and I opened it, I thought, geez, I ruined everything. It looks like a mess, right? But no. So when you bought your Thermomix, you got this thing, and probably you haven't noticed it has a little hook here, and the reason for that is to help you take out the basket out of the Thermomix. Otherwise you would have to use your fingers and burn yourself. So this is very useful, and then you're gonna see how I take it out. So we're gonna look at the hook here. There's a little hole there. Stuck it there, you see? Then you can pick it up. Here's the rice. Just gonna try it. It's really good. I like it. I personally love red rice. The first time I made rice in the Thermomix and I saw the way it does it, I was like, I'm sure it's not gonna work. But then I tried it and it works. Look, super perfectly well formed. So I guess they know what they're doing. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked the video, and I hope your rice turns out great. Thank you. Bye.